Alright family, we're back again today on all things AfriOne Life. If you've not registered on AfriOne Life, I don't know what you're waiting for. The number is currently available on the screen. Use the number for WhatsApp and this number also, or this URL for Telegram, for you to join the AfriOne Life ecosystem. So today we're going to be talking about marketplace. Let's get a see. So you can see currently now I'm on marketplace. Properties number 1, marketplace number 2. So I'm going to click marketplace, and obviously please do me a favor, try and read all of this thing that is talking about on the marketplace so that it helps you to understand. And also we have the ability for you to call us and the email address, official email address for you to use when you are having any glitches or maybe some follow-up that you need. And so on the marketplace, if you notice, it says something here that browse product. So which means if you click on browse product, for example, it will tell you, for example, what product are you looking for, type, and all of those very particular things. So you can literally browse product. I'm going back because this is just to show you some of the features. It also tell you browse services, the same thing as browsing product, browse for job. Indirectly on AfriOne Life, people, for example, somebody can go there and post a job and say, I need a mechanic, I need a driver, I need a PA, I need a marketer, and all of that. So on AfriOne PMS or AfriOne Life, whichever one, you are still correct. But I prefer for you to stay with AfriOne Life. But nonetheless, you either use PMS or Life, you're still okay. So on AfriOne Life, you can literally browse job. If I click browse job right now, you see to ask you enter location to find job near you. Whether it is Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, whichever one you want to, or probably London, South Africa, Durban, wherever, you just browse job. But at the same time also you can post a job. This is the posted job. When you click post a job, it then show you what kind of job do you want to post. Are you posting job for maintenance or repair, installation, supply with services, or professional services, or others includes every other thing that you can find. And so let's just still go back because we're looking at all things marketplace. Then also it tells you to list a product. You can list whatever product that you are currently selling. Maybe you are selling, I don't know, selling chappies. Or maybe you were selling, I'm trying to think in my head now. Maybe you're selling a property because I don't know if property is a product. Or probably maybe you are selling a phone. It's also a product. But whatever you are selling, you can list it as a product on the platform. You can also list services, and at the same time also you can list your business. Now this is the interesting thing. When you have finished all of your listing, you can actually come to my listing. You click my listing and you will find all the listing that you have there. For example, while we were busy doing a testing, we have literally listed 3 jobs, and that's a thing there. So you can see that, okay, you have 3 jobs and all of this very particular thing that you have listed on the platform, and that's your thing. So now we are going back to the marketplace menu. And so at the end of the day, you have contact our team. Let's click contact our team for you to see. So these are our team members. So you can see our official website, our official email address, the phone numbers that you can then be able to call. Any number outside of what you are seeing currently, please do me a favor, don't call it. If the number is not what you are seeing on this very particular system, then it is not an AfriOne Life number. So we're encouraging you, please stay with what you are seeing currently and don't go outside of what is available. I'll see you on the next video as I'm going to be talking about all things hospitality.